What's up, y'all? Biker Dave here. This is one of those new Denago city carts. They make what's called a Rover as well as a Nomad. This is the Nomad model. It's, has seats facing in opposite directions, and many of them come with a little manual windshield wiper. And as a mechanic and a dealer of these carts, I highly recommend you remove this whole wiper assembly. Why? Because it will tap on the Lexan, and it will also scratch the Lexan on the inside. You might not be able to see that too well, but this part of the assembly touches the Lexan right here when it's in this closed position, or the open position, I guess you could say. Also, if you happen to move the wiper blade or wiper arm, it will scratch right there. Might be able to see it in the shade, but it will scratch the Lexan. So the only real option is to completely remove it. It's not that difficult. You got a large nut on each side of the Lexan, and then for the wiper arm itself, it's just like any older style windshield wiper, like on a car. Just prop this upward. There's a nut inside there. I don't have the exact size on the top of my head, but you'll find it. It's pretty common size. I believe it's like a 14. And then the other one is pretty large. I don't know the size either, but you'll find it. And just completely remove the whole thing. And if you want to, you can put like a little rubber plug inside the hole that is remaining. Also very easy. You can get most of those at your common hardware stores, or just leave it open. Who cares? But I highly recommend you remove it, because see, it's got a scratch going across right there. It'll also scratch right there. It'll also tap. It'll tap while you're driving. So kind of a pointless feature that the manufacturer thought was brilliant. Hardly anyone's going to use it. It is nothing but a nuisance, so just remove it. And look for the thumbnail popping up at the end of this video for other golf cart related fixes and how-tos and whatnot. And if you're shopping for a golf cart in North Atlanta, Georgia, we're in Canton, Georgia, which is about 45 minutes north of Atlanta. Authorized club car dealer, and we also service various models like E-Z-GO and Yamaha and Vivid. And we got club car Tempos, all kind of carts that we do service on, as well as new sales of club car and Denago and Tomberlin, different brands like that. Check out the website link that's in the description, and y'all come see us. Y'all have a good day.